This PowerPoint is about Disney's success from 2005 until now. The content I'll be going over are the steps taken to be so successful, the impact on the movie industry, and the future of the company from what I can tell. 2005 is so important because that is when Disney bought Pixar. Pixar is so important because that company set Disney on the right path to be so successful today. For some, it might be Mickey Mouse. For others, it may be Simba. But everyone has a fond memory of a Disney film. Future generations may have the same sort of feeling, but not even know it has a little bit of Disney magic. Disney is a powerhouse in the entertainment industry before and even more so after 2005. With Disney already being a massive company, they could buy pretty much whatever company they wanted. So they chose Pixar, the biggest animation company at the time. This opened the door for many animations to be made by Disney and to be enjoyed by the millions. Then they bought Marvel, which gave them the rights to a Marvel Cinematic Universe, which had all sorts of superheroes and other things to build on, and fan favorite characters to exploit. But they were missing a few crucial characters, such as the X-Men, the Fantastic Four, Galactus, Silver Surfer, which were owned by Fox. Then, in 2018, they bought Fox for $71.3 billion. And this just opened the doors for so many things in the future that are just baffling. The impact that Disney made on the movie industry mostly has to deal with the MCU. The MCU is essentially just a bunch of superhero movies stringed together and connected into one big universe. There has been a few examples of this in the past, such as Fox's X-Men universe and Harry Potter, but I mean, no real good cinematic universes have been created until now. The reason that this is new and impactful is because no one had done it as good as this before. There's nothing to compare, to be honest. And the future is honestly limitless. They're too big to disappear at this point. There's companies like Toys R Us and large companies absolutely failing, but I really think that Disney's just too big to disappear at this point because they have their hands in every basket that you can think of. They can continue their success with animations like they already have, the MCU like they already have, and then they could possibly even combine the two to make the cartoons like we saw in the 90s. I mean, there's honestly limitless possibilities, and more power to them. Disney is a one-of-a-kind company that took all the right steps to be the largest companies to ever exist, and even if it doesn't say Disney, it probably is. If you want to see where I got some of my sources, and if you want to do some further research by yourself, have at it.